My name's Amy from Vanlux, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2019 Ford Tourneo Custom. This vehicle has done just over 29,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can see that the Tourneo Custom comes with 9 seats in total. On the steering wheel, we have features such as cruise control and voice control. On the touchscreen, we can get quick access to key features such as Bluetooth, navigation, mobile apps, emergency assistance and valet mode. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our AC, as well as heated seats on either side. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.